Hey guys, this is Freckled Juice. Thank you for joining my channel. I am coming to you with another Ipsy bag. I just received in the mail like 2 days ago. Unfortunately, now I've been working like crazy. It's the holidays, so today is my day off. And I am here with you guys to share the experience. And we're gonna open this Ipsy bag together. Let's go. Here we go. Got it. Excuse me. So, discover yourself. For you, from you. Okay, so the first things first, as you guys can see, is packed nice and neatly. It has the foam protection, and there are all the goodies. Oh my God. So let's see what we got here. So this Ipsy box subscription that I have, it is $25 a month. I used to get the $9.99 where you would get trial sizes of it. And sometimes you would get full-size product, but I wanted all full-size products, so I upgraded to the Ipsy box, the $25 Ipsy bag. So right now we got some hydrating serum. So you apply after cleansing and toning, can be used twice a day. Keep refrigerated for best results. So you can see how this smells. Smells so good. So that's what we got there. That's one. You get 5 products. And they always give you the insert, and it tells you each product that you have. So you will always get this insert. It will tell you about each product that you have. And it has a little quotation on the back. So the next thing I have is Chiro Activating Hydrogel. And this is by 111 Skin. Let's take that out the box. See what we get. Ooh, this is a little heavy jar. Let's see how much is in here. So that's what we got here. Smells pretty good. So again, this is 11 Skin, Harley Street, London, Chiro Activating Hydrogel. We got a lot of nice skincare in this box today. So now we got a palette, the palette. And it's a build your own palette magnet. And it's made out of vegan leather. We're gonna open this together and see about some color play. Don't you just? Who doesn't love makeup? Who doesn't love makeup? Oh my gosh, like, ugh. Here we go. This is beautiful. This is so beautifully made. It's so soft. I love the color. It's kind of like a bronzy rose gold kind of color. I love it. And then it's magnetic, so it's just like, yeah. So it has 4 different colored eyeshadows in here. And this little insert is really cool. So this is the colors of the eyeshadow. Where's the box? So I can tell you each color. So you got Sure Shot, At the Hours, Bare Canvas, and Velveteen. So you got Sure Shot, At the Hours, Bare Canvas, and Velveteen. So that's what we're working with here. You guys want to see some color play? I do. Very, very nice, silky, and very pigmented. So nice colors, nice color play here. Nice color play. So I'll be doing a makeup look with that. And here's this beautiful silver bag that came with. And we got an eyeliner. I think I have one of these already. And if it is the same one, I absolutely love this eyeliner. It goes on so beautifully. No, this is a different one, but this is another one that I got in my Ipsy bag. Hope you guys can see that or not. There we go. Nice, silky smooth. And the color play is amazing. Okay, so I love eyeliner, I love blush. So this is another one, and it looks so fun. So it's a liquid eyeliner, and it's in black. You guys can see that. There we go. We got an eyeliner, and we got a brush, a complex contour, introducing complex contour. Life is complicated. Your beauty routine shouldn't be. We're making things easier, one eco-friendly product at a time, starting with this brush. We designed this brush to make your life easier. So it's a press and set bronzer. This 2-in-1 brush helps you achieve a soft finish and glow. Don't sweep. Press the flat side onto your skin to set the powder. Use the tips to apply bronzer, sculpt cheeks, and blend. It's luxuriously dense. Syntech bristles, 100% biodegradable handle with a matte velvet finish. It's vegan and cruelty-free. So let's open this baby up. I'm gonna open it from the bottom. It wants to give me a hard time. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Look at these. Oh my. This brush is all of that, guys. This is so beautiful. You guys see that? Just absolutely just gorgeous. It's so, like the handle, it's very nice. The brush is just everything about it is beautiful. So I'm so glad that I decided to upgrade to Ipsy's $25 bag, because I have been getting some really great products here and some really nice skincare products too. And all of them, the thing about it, all of them are full size. So you can't go wrong with spending $25 a month to get full size boxes. And the thing about Ipsy, I love it because sometimes you can choose what you want. They give you the option to choose what you want. And if you want to go back in and re-customize and you like change your mind, you like, well, I want to start trying this product, you can go in and re-customize your selection of the things that you like the most. So I did that. So now I'm getting more like skincare products. So I'm so glad that I decided to upgrade to the $25 bag. If you guys have not tried it, I'll put the link down below. Let them know that Freckle Beauty sent you from YouTube. You guys can also find me on Instagram and Facebook. I'll put all those links down below. Again, I want to thank you guys for joining my channel. And please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And another thing, I'm just going to be all over the place. I'm not going to be stuck with one genre of anything. So I'm not going to be here doing makeup videos. I'm not going to be here doing nail tutorials. I'm not going to be here doing workout. I'm just going to be here, real life, being me, and I'm going to speak about any and everything, whatever is on my mind, whatever you guys would like to see a topic on. Would you like to see a makeup tutorial? Would you like to see a nail tutorial? Would you like to see a 5-minute workout video that you yourself can do at home that's easy and attainable without any weights? Would you guys like to see a 5-minute workout video, a 10-minute workout video that contains dumbbells or kettlebells or stretch bands? Whatever you want to see, let me know. I'll see you guys later, and thank you for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye.